Welcome to 5th grade online language arts with your teacher, Mrs. Lynn Hanson or Mrs. Souza Griggs. The purpose of this video is to get you registered on our Edmodo site. Edmodo is the location of our online class. You will find all your assignments here and you will have a way to communicate with your teacher on Edmodo. You can access our language arts course on Edmodo from any computer anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. In order to register for the first time on Edmodo, you must have your parent or guardian with you. Once you open your web browser, type in this www.edmodo.com up at the URL bar. This will appear and take you to our Edmodo sign-in. The screen looks like this. For the first time only, you're going to be clicking on I'm a student. That will help you to get registered. So go ahead and do that. And that will take you to the sign-up screen. Up at the top, group code, you're going to type in the code that we have provided for you. It may be the same as this one, or it may be something different. Then you're going to type in your username. For your username, you're going to be using SB for Sutton's Bay, and then your first name and your last initial. I'll do an example student. For Sarah Student, we'll call her. SB for Sutton's Bay, Sarah, and S for student. Now, I go to my next box, and you'll notice that I have an X saying it's already taken. That probably won't happen to you, but in case it does, just add the next letter of your last name. And then try again, and that should work. Choose a password that you're going to remember, and type that in. Don't worry if you forget. You can always contact us and we can reset it for you. For the email, you'll need to type in your email or the email of your parent, depending on who is going to be receiving notifications from our website for the language arts course. I'm not going to do that for this example, but you will need to do that step. Then you type in your first name and your last. And then you and your parent need to take a look at the terms of service. You can click on this button to get there. Look them over together. And also the privacy policy by clicking here. Once you have looked at them and you both agree to them, then you will click this box and then you will sign up. That will take you directly to our class website. And the first thing that you need to always do when you come on is find our class name over here, 5th grade language arts, and click on that. That opens up our class. Okay, on this page you will see that we have several things listed here, and we're going to click on folders. Over on the left side you see folders. Folders is where you access all of your course information. There may be things in the middle, there will be things in the middle of the screen, but first you should always go to folders to find our course information. And when you open up folders, you will see there's a folder with just our overview of 5th grade language arts course information, and then will be the units that you will be working on. You may not see them all right away, but eventually you'll see all 6 units that you will be working on to complete the course. Initially though, and with your parent, I'd like you to go through and look at all of the different activities and assignments in this section called 5th grade language arts course information. That will get you ready and knowing everything you need to know to begin the course. So here's a list of everything you need to do before you get started with actually doing assignments. Go over these with your parents, the first one, and do them in order. Here's the first one. It's going to show you all an introduction to our course. Always read very carefully the directions. Notice this says show full post. Need to click there to see the rest of it, and then follow them carefully. When you're done with this activity, then you can X out of it, and that will take you back to our course information folder. Another important button here is the home button. That will take you to the screen you saw when you logged in. On that, there is something very important I would like to point out, the parent code down here. Parents, you can register also, and should, for your child's online language arts course as a parent. And so all you need to do is go back to that login screen that I initially showed you how to register and click on I'm a parent for the first time. Type in this code and then register. That will allow you to access our online course and to see your child's assignments and progress. The next time everybody, whether it's parent or student, logs in after they've registered, let me show you. Instead of clicking I'm a student or I'm a parent, that will only be done the first time, you're going to go right in here and put in your username and the password you've chosen and log in, and that will take you right to our course. So go ahead and register and take a look at our course information. We look forward to working with you.